First, Frederick Taylor's. Frederick Taylor's is summarized in four case principles that include scientific methods. Scientific methods are used to discover the most efficient way to perform a task, while clear division of is responsible performance-based pay. He believed that all workers are motivated by money, so he promoted the idea of a fair day's pay for fair day's work. Friedrich Herbert theorized that the employee satisfaction has two dimensions such as hygiene and motivation. Hygiene issues such as salary and supervision decrease employee satisfaction with the work environment. Henry Gann dictates that the use of both resource and time when evaluating project, considering this, how many people will be needed to complete this project. Henry Fayol techniques is management known as 14 principles of management include division of work, authority, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, subordination of individuals, interests, and general interests. Elton Mayos. Elton Mayos argued businesses should consider the social and emotional needs of employees. Employees are motivated far more by re- relation, relational factors such as attention and then by monitoring rewards or environmental factors. Abraham Maslow. Hierarchy, hierarchy of needs theory is a psychological theory that states a person is motivated by fulfillment of five levels of needs. Maslow's five levels of needs are psychological, safety, social, esteem, and self-actualization. William Auchi. Based on the idea that people are more likely to follow through on decisions that they have had and hand making, increasing employees' loyalty to the company by providing a job for life with a strong focus on the well-being of the employees. Douglas MacGregor. He contributed much to the development of management and motivational theory. He is best known for his Theory X and Theory Y, which splits corporate thinking into two camps.